is the ginger juice with all that stuff at the bottom. Suki gave it to me. I'm gonna make it here this morning. She said this is good for 4 cups. My friend Suki, she made some homemade tea. She's gonna give me. Go ahead. What's in it?
Hi Kelly, you're more than welcome. You like the try. So don't use sugar, use honey. And then the ingredient I make it is fresh, all fresh. Turmeric, fresh ginger, and then fresh lemongrass, and then tamarindo.
Tamarindo.
Fresh tamarindo, yes.
Wow.
Tamarindo is hold on.
It's like a hot tea she's gonna give me.
This one is fresh tamarindo.
Oh.
So all you can find is most of them in food forest. That they sell in food forest.
You do it with the full pot?
No, this is one you're gonna put with the other ingredients. So what you do, just broke that there, and then it's filled like a peanut. Okay, so they have been inside, so you don't have to wash. But before you fill it, just wash it first.
And then put it in like a tea?
We put the ingredient all together.
Okay.
Okay, like
and
turmeric and ginger and lemongrass. Wash it really good. You not need to fill, and then put it inside the plastic bag and then smack that. Do not chop it. Just smack that until like a scramble, like a ground beef. What you call it?
Okay.
That. So put in a pot, and then like 1 pound turmeric, and then a half pound ginger. And then put like maybe like this much, maybe you put 5 of this, and then with 1 gallon water. Yeah,
and
then just boil it, and then from the boil, if you see already boiled, and then wait until like 5 minutes from the boil, and then turn off, and then strain it, and then I put on this petrol, and then but that was already cooled down.
Or did you make it up?
No, this is Indonesian recipe because actually they have one more thing I needed, but they don't have it in United States. It's similar like a ginger, but it's not ginger.
Oh.
It's related.
Okay.
But it's not same. And then they have like a red ginger. Over here we have like white ginger. Over there they have like 2 different kinds, red ginger and white ginger. The red ginger is the best. But since I'm in United States, and then I couldn't find like that much. And then if right now, if I'm in my town, I just go to the jungle, come out from the jungle. Wow. I got everything what I need. You know,
so it's good for colds, is what this is, a remedy?
It's for the cold, and then also, just in case, you know, and then in virus, corona thing, what you call it, and then just when you drink this ingredient from this, the juice from the ingredient, and then keep you, what they call it?
Immunity maybe?
Something like that. The circle on your blood is stay warm.
Oh.
So you won't get that corona.
Oh, okay.
It's not hard to try. Why not?
Yeah. It seems really nice.
Yeah,
so you're drinking some every day?
Yes, every day. I'm already start like a week and a half. Before I'm kind of like, nah, it's just news, it's far away. But then in San Luis Obispo, they prove a couple people already get the corona, and then couple other people is like, in the hospital, really sick or whatever. I'm kind of like, ew.
You're right.
So
thank you for sharing your tea with us. You're awesome.
So I warm him up, and then on this cup like this, not full, like a quarter cup like that, just put 3 tablespoons honey. You can use any kind of honey.
I'll just take 1 teaspoon is good. 1 teaspoon. That looks like a lot.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks
this
good though.
Just like that, and then just
that looks
mix
good.
So, and then it's going to be touched like spicy, sweet, and sour. It's different.
I can't wait. Thank you.
Every morning, just drink like
every
this.
day.
Yes.
Thank you.
Like that.
Ooh.